Hi, I'm Greg, and I'm going to take you on a tour of the Common Kitchen. This is a shared kitchen that is used by such people as caterers, bakers, meal delivery services, anybody who needs a health authority approved kitchen to work out of. This is our front production area. Here you can fit 2 to 3 of these stainless steel work tables. You can fit about 4 to 6 dry storage shelves. So you can see some units over here, some units over there, and there's even some space right here where you can't see. Right over here we have 2 doors, and they're both for the walk-in cooler. And facing the side here is the walk-in freezer. Now just to the right, that is the central production area, and that has the hood vents with the stoves in there and the ovens. And just to the left of that, that's where the dishwashing area is. Okay, so now this is the central production area. As you can see over here, this is the hood ventilation system, and we have a deep fryer, we have a stove, we have another stove, and this is a wok unit. There's 2 stainless steel work tables there with a double sink, and on the other side there's also a couple stainless steel work tables, and against the walk-in fridge over there, there's room for about 2 to 3 dry storage shelves. You might be able to squeeze in another 4th one around there as well. We are now in the dishwashing area. Here's the rinse off area. This is the dishwasher that takes 1.5 minutes for the cycle. And here we have the double sink. This is the other side of the central production area. As you can see, we have room for 2 or 3 stainless steel work tables. We have a storage shelf over there, but just to the left there is a storage closet which can fit about 6 dry storage shelves. Here's the other view of the central production area. Now we're in the back of the kitchen facility. In this rare work production area, you can fit 2 to 3 of these stainless steel workstations. You can fit about 8 of these dry storage shelves. And just over here, that is the central production area with the dishwasher and the hood vents and the stoves. And just over that way, there is another extra space for storage as well as the washroom facilities. Here we are with another angle of the rare work production area. As you can see, there's a little bit more space back here. And again, this is where the washrooms are located. At this facility, we also have an upstairs work area. So as you can see behind me, we have a little bit of extra space, and right now we're just using it as storage. So this is the walk-in fridge, and in here we can fit about 13 of these shelves. A nice thing about the walk-in fridge is that it has 2 entrance and exit doors, one right here and one right here.
How wonderful to be here in Hong Kong tonight. From what I understand, the words Hong Kong mean fragrant harbour. Of course, we know we're coming from another great harbour, the harbour of Bordeaux. Bordeaux quite literally means on the sides of the water banks. Tonight we're having a historic dinner here in Hong Kong, not only because we're in one of the most important wine platforms in the world, but also because we're having a true exchange between cultures. Here in the Four Seasons Hotel, we're very fortunate to have the first 3-star chef of Chinese cuisine, Chef Tuck. We're going to be matching some of the most wonderful wines that we produced over the last 75 years with some of the most famous dishes prepared right here in Chef Sak's kitchen, as wine becomes as integral a part of the Chinese culture as teas and Chinese food and art have become part of our culture.
So, chef, for the dinner in Hong Kong, among all the wines we will pour, we choose the Haut-Brion 89. It's a great vintage for Haut-Brion, a very early vintage. We started the harvest in August, so the wine is very ripe. You can smell the Havane coffee bean when you burn the coffee bean, black truffle, very complex, and in the mouth, the wine is very powerful. The tannins are very soft, very smooth, very well integrated.
Maybe roast pig.
Roast pig, yes.
Mention this wine, I think. It's good.
Golden leaves.
Thank you, chef. Thank you.
Perfect.
Perfect match. Congratulations, chef. Thank you. 谢谢。